Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, kitty. Oh, good morning, kitty. Starting the day with some affirmations. You're epic. You're gorgeous. You're beautiful. You're amazing. Nobody doesn't like you. Look at kitty's little black bean toes. Those look like black beans. Hey. Sorry, girl. Sorry, queen. Whoa.
You're annoying.
You're annoying. Good morning. You look like a worm. Absolutely good morning. You know what time it is? It is simply too late. Just kidding, it's 1 p.m. I would still be asleep if I could right now. But Bubby kept waking me up this morning to go poop. Now you got to wake up. Wake up. I'm bored. I'm bored. You gotta wake up. Okay, fine. I'll try again later. Good night, bro. My mother just got home from literally work and I am just waking up. But she said she made me cold sesame noodles with kimchi. So that will be my breakfast, period. Simply let me eat this up.
There's a little tiny bit of kimchi.
Thank you. Oh, perfect. The perfect size for me. This is a beautiful day.
You want the yellow pickles?
Oh. Munched. Slurped. Here we got my mom's cold sesame noodles. Period. So fresh, so delicious, and it's so hot out today, so this is perfect. And a little kimchi. Mom, is there a Korean name for these noodles?
비빔국수.
Period. Bibimbapsu. Me in my Korean era. Every day I'm in my Korean era. Oh, Mom, wait. How do you say, like, bon appetit in Korean?
잘 먹겠습니다.
Okay, let me try this. 잘 먹겠습니다.
That's good.
Oh my god, so good. Also, I forgot to intro this video. My name's Amber, and this is what an average day in my life looks like being freshly post-grad. I am so using this time to chill and just spend time with my family, but also moving in silence. Making my next plans. And I'll announce it once the time is right, okay? But for now, I am absolutely chilling. I have to eat every meal with at least one leg up. But I'm also using a fork, so this is a demonstration of my Asianness. Asian, white. That's just who I am. Good morning, Bubby. You woke me up every hour this morning to go doo-doo. You're crazy. Or Bubby's got bellyache. It's time to get ready with me for my face part, on my face. So I have not been wearing makeup at all this summer, even when we're like on vacation, taking family photos, going to events. I've learned sometimes I look better without makeup because I'm simply not good at doing my makeup. So I'm absolutely just on the chapstick and SPF vibes because I really like enhancing that natural glow and like doing preventative measures more so than like caking more stuff on right now to like fix temporary issues. But honestly, I don't even have any temporary skin issues right now because of Curology. You guys know Curology is the GOAT. With Curology, I have the easiest 3-step skincare routine. I got the cleanser, moisturizer, and my custom prescription formula. That is a tongue twister. Custom prescription formula. Because as much fun as it is to try out like trending skincare things and like all this different stuff, for me, I find that it's best for me to just rely on my trustworthy, tried and true minimalist skincare routine. I'll try and switch it up sometimes and I'll do some crazy stuff to my skin and it just does not work for me. Curology, on the other hand, I've been using for literally over 4 years and she has never done me wrong. I have not had a real blemish since like high school before I started Curology. Let me be the evidence that Curology is so epic. These are the ingredients on my custom formula. Nail reveal, ASMR. Period. Me and my sister got our nails done, and I feel like a boss. Also, I love the Curology chapstick. I'm using the mint flavor today. Delicious. Also, what's so funny about my chapstick and SPF routine is that my brother Andrew taught me yesterday that there's a thing called lookmaxxing that's going around online, which just means maximizing your looks. So Andrew told me a tip for lookmaxxing is having chapstick on you at all times, putting on your daily SPF, investing in a gua sha. So Andrew will come up to me and be like, just doing my lookmaxxing, and that has me dead. But literally, that's me this summer, thanks to my baby girl, Curology. So if you guys want to start lookmaxxing, you can use the link in my description. Now I want to see if Andrew will wake up and do something with me, because it's literally like 2:30. Me and Andrew both accidentally stayed up until like 5 a.m. last night. I was editing a video and he was playing Roblox, so he's definitely needing that sleep, but also I'm bored. So let's wake him up. Attempt number 2. Good morning, sleepy poo. Andrew, good morning. I'm gonna go get a coffee. Why you got pasta on the ground? Tico. Would you like to do something with me, yes or no? It's 2:30. How long do you want to sleep for? 30 minutes? An hour? Day? I've given Andrew some time to sleep in, and let's check the clock. It is 4:11. I'm going to wake him up now, no matter how much shaking it takes. He needs to wake up. Let's go. Attempt number 3. Bro, Bro, the sun is gonna start setting soon. You said you would hang out with me today. Andrew, wake up. I'll buy you Dunkin' Donuts. Let's go golfing. Bring out the whole ocean. Would you like to get some Dunkin'? Andrew, I will buy you the SB Dunks that you want if you wake up right now.
I don't know if they're in stock.
Are you really gonna use that as an excuse to keep sleeping? It's a new day.
You're right.
Yep.
I'm just a little boy.
Yeah, that's so true. Little boy needs to get out of bed.
Little boy needs sleep. That's what little boys do.
No. Look at the beautiful nature, the abundance that's waiting outside. But instead you're doing this. What the hell? I stayed up just as late as you, but I woke up at 10 a.m. Boy. Boy if you don't.
Alright, we'll get up.
5:03 and he's out of bed.
What's the big deal?
What's the big deal?
Where did you want to go?
Let's get some coffee. Let's do some shopping. I kind of want to look at the skate shop. Maybe I'll get a little something for my boyfriend for his birthday.
He has a birthday?
Yeah, he does have a birthday actually.
Alright, let's go.
Could you also explain looksmaxxing? Is it lookmaxxing or looksmaxxing?
Lookmaxxing.
I looked up on TikTok, I think it's looksmaxxing.
Shut up.
Oh, okay.
Lookmaxxing is like maxing out your looks like a video game.
Like a video game.
Like you gotta level up.
Oh, chapstick, gua sha,
Lotion.
lotion. Literally the crazy part is that Andrew explained this to me as a joke because it's like very obvious things that you do for just like your general hygiene and stuff. But people on TikTok are taking it so seriously. Supermodels don't want me to share this information. This is classified info on how to look max. We are going to the skate shop to see if Andrew's beloved shoes are there.
I just like how comfy they are.
That's so true, bro. Dee la da da la dee dee la da da. He is Kenneth, and this Barbie is also Kenneth. Skate shop haul. First thing I got this hoodie for my boyfriend's birthday. It says our hometown on it, so I will.
Sweet.
I got this hoodie for my boyfriend. It says our hometown on it though, so I'm not gonna show the front, but it's a collaboration with Girl, the skateboard brand. Period. It's amazing. Let's see what you got, bro.
And then I couldn't get it in my size, so I got it for a friend. SB Dunks.
This is the one you were looking for?
Yeah.
What a good friend Andrew is. So it's good for skating?
It's alright for skating.
Okay.
I like the chunky tongue and the low top, and they're just very easy to wear around, and that's why I just like wearing them. I like any skate shoe that's just very convenient to wear and skate in.
That's so real, bro. Now it is almost 6 p.m. Would you like to get a coffee?
Alright, that's perfect.
Yeah.
You're supposed to wait an hour and a half before you have your first cup of coffee.
Let's absolutely do this. I got a Western bagel. It has egg, onion, green pepper, and I added avocado.
Lumberjack, egg, cheese, sausage, bacon, egg again.
They put syrup in that? That actually looks fire. Slime. Feeling like Ashley.
Munched.
Halfway munched. Let's leave. We're going to the mall.
Mall. I love the mall. I love the mall. Shopping time.
Shopping time. Shopping time, shopping time.
Bruh. Bruh.
Ow, I'm dying. I'd be smelling these candles like it's my job. I am looking for the perfect fall candle. This one smells like Abercrombie, so Andrew wants it. And both of these are pretty good. I don't know.
Try me. Okay. Smells like nothing.
Period. Alright, let's get this Bath and Body Works haul going! That was crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, the window's open.
Yeah.
Everybody could hear that. Bath and Body Works haul. Let's get this going. We just got absolutely robbed at the local Bath and Body Works. I misread a sale sign. I thought the 3-wick candles were for sale. Nope. I just spent an ungodly amount of money at this place for 4 candles. You spill that? What are you doing? Okay.
Ooh, oh, Bath and Body Works recap. I got coffee and whiskey, my 2 favorite drinks. Just kidding. I love this smell.
I
It's
want
more.
to.
Shut up! This is very vanilla-esque. Less, not much coffee or whiskey scent. It's more vanilla. Smell? That's what I'm saying. She agrees.
Yeah. It kind of smells like whipped cream or something. Then I got this leather and brandy candle. Both of our candles had pretty crazy names, but they just smell like, this kind of smells like a cologne.
Let me smell. Oh, this smells like Paco Rabanne 1 million. Ugh. So sweet, so sexy.
This makes me want to make out with a gorgeous French woman.
Sexy, sweet, yummy.
It is kind of sweet cologne smelling candle.
It kind of smells like sweet cologne, pencil shavings, fresh grass. Ugh.
Get you going.
Then, because we were already looking at the candles, we had to get some for our mother.
She loves candles, that's why.
Yep, leaves scent. Leaves. Because our mom loves fall candle. This is definitely giving apple, pine, berries.
No pumpkin.
No pumpkin in this.
It's all apple. Mother will love this.
Absolutely. And then sweet whiskey. This one is very sweet, very almost soda flavor. Kind of smelling like a Coca-Cola.
It smells like cotton candy.
Yeah.
Almost. Fuck!
Okay, this is also kind of giving cranberry smell. Just so that you know.
No, don't say that about sweet whiskey. You weren't filming. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Bro, oh my God.
Let's talk about consumerism.
Bro, let's talk about it. Who would tune in for a me and Andrew therapy
Current
podcast?
dilemmas in my life.
What are your current dilemmas?
Like consumerism.
That's true, bro.
And that I'm not look-maxxing right now. I need a mew.
Wait, can you explain mewing?
Mewing? I don't even know what it is. Oh, my neck is hanging low and then they, like, you pull up on it.
Damn!
No, I'm just
yeah,
kidding.
Andrew does it.
Whatever. Facial moisturizer, ever heard of it? Chapstick, lotion. Dude, I've been look-maxxing all summer. Guys, look at the before and after.
Wait, was that the before?
No.
The before and after is just the Albert Einstein face. Bro, insert the picture of Albert Einstein with the tongue out. Bomb.
Josh Peck built the bomb. I wanna go home.
Oh yeah, let's go home.
Bye, guys.
Bye! Good evening. We've been home for a bit and I've been cooking this whole time. I'm trying out this recipe that I found on TikTok that I think Ashley would really like. So I'm just testing it to make sure it's good before I cook it for her eventually. Basically, it is a creamy zucchini and bean dish. You cook the zucchini really low and slow, and then you make this cream sauce with cashews and nutritional yeast that you blend up. Also, there's like breadcrumbs that you sprinkle on top of the recipe I saw on TikTok, but my friends at college taught me this hack where you can make quinoa breadcrumbs, basically, where you make quinoa and then put it in the oven and bake it for a long time until it basically dries out and becomes little sprinkleable quinoa bits, and it's so yummy and really protein packed, and just the texture is a lot better than breadcrumbs, TBH. So the dinner is now complete, and I'm gonna plate it up. Splat, splat. It's definitely looking like mush. That smells delicious though. Add some basil on top. Oh God, that's a lot of basil. What am I even doing? Okay, a little bit of extra olive oil, just for giggles. Ooh, that was a lot. Do you absolutely see this right now? Then I got this crispy quinoa in this bowl. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh yeah, this is not looking that good. And then I toasted up these little breads for dipping. This will be divine. Yeah, so that's my dinner, yeah. Cheers. Whoa. Texturally delicious. The basil is the most important component. I love this creamy sauce. The beans and zucchini are delish. Wow, this is a delicious summer meal. Andrew, try this delicious, delicious meal. I wish Ashley were here, but very soon we'll be together. Do you recognize anything on this plate?
No.
Okay.
Looks like throw up.
No, I know. It
Yeah.
looks like throw up. Zucchini that was cooked for a long time. Beans. A cream sauce made out of blended up like a cashew cream with nutritional yeast. This is crispy quinoa that you cook and then you oven bake it so that it dries out and gets crunchy. Basil. Here, just try this. I put it on a bread for you. Yum.
It's good.
Yeah.
The basil's really fresh.
That's so real, bro. Thank you. When Andrew enjoys your meal, yes. I will absolutely be making this again. Ashley, if you're watching, I know you are so jealous right now, literally. If you're gonna try anything, make the crispy quinoa. You could sprinkle on top of all your meals. So good. Just make sure you season it with like salt and pepper and whatnot. Pretty much after this, I'm just gonna be editing and then going to bed. So this is the end of my day. I am super happy to be spending time at home with my family. I'm taking a little break. Now that I've graduated, I've needed a bit of time to just chill. But believe me, very, very exciting things are coming soon. I cannot even explain to you how excited I am. Buckle your seatbelts, bros. You are not ready. But yeah, for the next few weeks, I am just chilling here until my life takes a crazy turn, and I will keep you guys updated when that happens. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are having a wonderful summer, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!